Nandito na sa Philippines ang Redmi Note 13 series at kabilang dito si Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G at available na ito for pre-order. Kung gusto nyo malaman ang price nito, make sure na panoorin nyo ang buong video. Sa ngayon, tingnan muna natin ang specs and features ng phone na to. Meron itong 6.67-inch Crystal Res 1.5K AMOLED curved display with 1220 by 2712 pixel resolution. May 120Hz refresh rate with HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision. Meron siyang Corning Gorilla Glass Victus screen protection at ito ay may 1800 nits peak of brightness. Ang Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G ay may operating system na MIUI 14 based on Android 13 with MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Ultra 4nm chipset na may Mali G610 MC4 na GPU. Ang smartphone na to ay may 12GB of RAM with 512GB of internal storage at ito ay non-expandable. Ang Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G ay may triple rear camera setup with 200MP main camera with OIS plus 8MP ultra-wide camera plus 2MP macro camera with dual LED flash, HDR and panorama at kaya nito mag-record ng video up to 4K at 30fps. At meron siyang 16MP selfie camera with up to 1080p at 60fps video recording. Dito naman sa kanyang battery, meron siyang 5000 mAh battery capacity with 120W hypercharge. Sa security naman ito, meron siyang under-display fingerprint scanner and face recognition at ito ay may dual speakers with Dolby Atmos. Sa dimensions, meron siyang 161.4 by 74.2 by 8.9mm at may timbang na 204.5 grams with IP68 water and dust resistance at ito ay may dual SIM. Sa connectivity naman ng phone na to, meron siyang 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, Beidou, QZSS, NFC, IR Blaster, OTG, and USB Type-C. Ngayon, dito na tayo sa kanyang price. Ang official price ng Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G ay 23,999 pesos at meron siyang free Xiaomi Smart Band 8 from January 16 to January 22 ngayong taon dito sa Shopee. Make sure lang na sa Xiaomi official store kayo bibili. Ano sa tingin nyo guys? Sulit ba ang Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G? Please comment down below. At kung nagustuhan nyo ang bidyong ito, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe, like at i-click ang notification bell. Maraming salamat. Peace!